Hello and welcome. My name is Victoria Merchant and I am with Keller Williams Foothills Realty. And today I have the pleasure of showing you this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, over 3,000 square foot home in Conifer, Colorado. There are expansive decks on all sides, allowing you unobstructed views of your 12-acre property. All around, you'll see aspen trees and wildlife, and even a seasonal creek. Not to mention the huge 2-story barn with workshop above. All of this, and you're less than 15 minutes from shopping and schools and less than 10 minutes to the nearest trailhead. What more could you ask for? I hope to see you at our open house on April 16th from 10 to 2. Thanks so much.